Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to take 4 photo frames and turn them into a light. Sorry, the camera didn't pick up very well in the dark, but it does look pretty cool. So I'm just going to take some small photo frames. These are 4x6 inch ones. These just came from Poundland for a pack of 2 for £1. So you can get them quite cheaply. You can have them all the same colour or different colours. I decided to go for 2 different colours. I don't know why, I just thought I'd make a change. So with these, you don't need the stands in the back. So I'm going to take the stands out and just have the glass and the actual frame that I'll be using. So I'll be taking all those out. Then I am going to just get some kind of thin paper that's got a pattern on it. So you can also get like pads of these in like Poundland or craft stores. And these are just basically going to be like seaside themed. So it's going to like be, as you can see, there's shells and stuff, and then the sea kind of patterned. And you can use whatever you want, obviously depending on the style of your room. But you don't want it to use thick paper, you want it to be really quite thin. So these are the patterns that I used. And then I'm just going to stick these together using a hot glue gun. You're also going to need some sort of light. This one I picked up also in Poundland. It's actually a solar powered one in the garden section. It doesn't seem that bright, but when the light's off it does look a lot brighter. You can use fairy lights as well though. So I've put some glue down one side of a photo frame, lined up another one and just stuck it on top. So I'm gonna basically stick these into like a square. Then I'm taking another one, again glue down one side. I'm gonna stick those two onto that. And then I'm going to stick the last one onto the open side. So if you want to make it like a perfect square, you have to do it so only one side is actually stuck to the other, and then one of the frames is stuck to the back of the other side of that frame, if that makes sense. So I've also cut out a piece of card for the top with a hole in it to put the light through. I'm just going to stick this on top. This is a really thick piece of card. If you don't want the light coming out the top, you want it just coming out the sides through the glass. And then I can pop the light inside and switch it on, and that's done. And because this is solar powered, I don't need batteries for it. But you can use fairy lights, especially if you've used actually thicker paper, or these lights work as well. So these just came in a bulb, again from Poundland. You can pop that in the top and then you just press it on from the button from the top, and that also works. So pretty versatile with the lights you can use, but you can get so many different looks just by obviously putting different papers and different colour lights in and stuff. So it's a really easy way to make a light, but it's very effective too. So thanks for watching, see you in my next video, bye!